Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Today, you'll learn 10 everyday English phrases through a short story. Let's jump right in.
You don't look so good.
I've been feeling under the weather. I think I'm coming down with something.
Let's go to the doctor, just to be safe. Better safe than sorry.
I really don't think this is necessary.
I'd rather make sure you're okay.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I'd like to make an appointment for my friend.
What's her name? I'm Rose Mickelson. Have a seat, please. The doctor will see you shortly. Thank you.
Hi, Rose. What's been going on?
I've had a sore throat and I've been coughing since yesterday.
It's just a cold. Get some rest, take it easy, and make sure you stay hydrated. I'm going to prescribe you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
I'd like to pick up this prescription.
Take 1 tablet twice a day.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for taking me.
You'll be back on your feet in no time.
I hope so.
I'm sure.
Hey, Rose. I just wanted to check on you. I'm feeling a little better. I'm glad to hear that. Thanks for calling. It means a lot to me. Get well soon. Thanks. See you soon.
Great! Now, let's look at my 5 favorite expressions from the story. First, Rose said,
I've been feeling under the weather.
people use this when they've been feeling a little sick. For example, I've been feeling under the weather all week. Later, Rose also said,
I think I'm coming down with something.
say this when you think you're starting to get sick. For example, I think I'm coming down with a cold. Then Stefan said,
Better safe than sorry.
people say this when it's better to be careful than take a risk. For example, let's go to the doctor. Better safe than sorry. At the clinic, the doctor asked,
What's been going on?
this is a natural way to ask someone what's wrong. You can also use it with friends. For example, hey, what's been going on? Finally, Stefan said,
You'll be back on your feet in no time.
this means you'll feel better very soon. For example, don't worry, you'll be back on your feet in no time. Those were my 5 favorite expressions from today's story. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next lesson.